Okay, students. So, in this class, we will learn how to develop a top view and sectional front view and two shape of section of this problem. This problem is given in the section of solids in engineering drawing. So, let us read out this problem. A cone of base diameter 40 mm and axis 50 mm long is cut by a sectional plane parallel to VP and 10 mm from the center of cone. Draw top view and sectional front view and two shape of section. So we know that first we have to draw XY line, reference line. Okay. So first we have to draw the top view. We know that this is the vertical plane, front view, this is the horizontal plane, this is the top view. So this first you have to develop the top view. 40 mm diameter. So you take it to 20 mm as a radius. 20 mm as a radius. You draw circle like this. You draw circle. Top view, okay, with the center. You know that you draw perpendicular line to XY reference line so that you can identify the radius diameter. You draw parallel to line passing through this point. This is also diameter. I would like to make it 8 parts. This circle. So therefore, you know that you set up 45 degrees. 45 degrees here. You can draw a line through this. We extend this line. Is also bisect. At the same way, you can set up 45 degrees and 45 degrees here also. You draw a line passing through this O like this. You can name it. This is the top view, so that we can name it. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Next, from this we can develop the front view. You draw the projectors like this. This should be passing through the same line. Draw the projectors. This is also you draw the projector. Here also D and F, they are passing through the same line. You draw the projector. From E you draw the projector. And once you draw, this is the axis. This is the O axis. You draw a vertical line perpendicular to XY line, and this is the extended in vertically. Okay, extended. Then axis length is given 50 mm, so that this is as a center. You take it to 50 mm as a radius. You cut it. Okay, this is the axis. We know that axis. Okay, once you fix this axis, this is the diameter. You know that this is the diameter. You know that how to. Okay, this is the 50. This is the 50. So once you fix this 50, you join these. This is the apex. You join these generators. Is also you join like this. You join like this. Okay, this is the O dash. we can name it here. So this is equal to, this is the axis height equal to, we know that this is the 50. If you want to show this diameter, this is 40. Okay, so then you can name it that this is the this is A dash, this is B dash, H dash, this is the C dash, G dash, this is D dash, F dash, this is E dash, this is the O dash. So the cutting plane, next this is the front view and top view. First this is the position, in this position we have to develop front view and top view. Then the cutting plane 10 mm from the center of the cone, 10 mm from the center of the cone. So therefore I would like to take it here, this side, this is the cutting plane, and this is the cutting plane. So that you draw a horizontal line, this is the cutting plane. Let us assume this is the cutting plane. Okay, this is the cutting plane. This is the cutting plane. Cutting plane. This is the cutting plane. So therefore this part is to be removed. This part is to be removed. Okay. Then from this is the cutting plane. So this is 10 mm from the center. 10 mm from the center. So therefore this is 10 mm. This is E is 10 mm. This is the E point. E point. This is the 10 mm. Okay. So this part is to be removed. Then how it is looking? Front view and top view. Front view and top view. Obviously, this is the top view. If you remove this one, this is the light line. So this is the top view. This is the top view. This is a top view. This is the top view. Okay, this is the cutting plane. From this we can develop the top view, front view. Let us see how to develop the front view. So therefore here this is the cutting. Let us say where the cutting plane cuts the generators and the different points in top view. Let us give the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the one. This point, the cutting plane is cutting here. Here also cutting here 2. Here also cutting here 3. Here also cutting here 4. Here also cutting 5. Then so therefore from here you draw the projector. You draw the 2 B. OB is cutting that OB generator is cutting cut at first you see that this is the 1. So 1 from this you draw. From 1 you see that you draw projector and extended this one. Extend this one you can here. Okay, here. Okay, this name it this is 1 dash. Okay, up to this. Okay, because it is on boundary. It is also boundary. Next 2. This is the point. The cutting plane is cutting here. So therefore which generator is cutting? Is OB. Where is B? This is 1. So you draw the projector like this. So this is cutting like this here. So this is called 2 dash. Next this is the cutting here. This is the axis line. This is the axis line. So from this it is perpendicular, we cannot locate this point on this line. So therefore what you have to do it here, you carefully listen here. You see that from here you draw arc like this horizontally, like this. From this you draw arc. This is the center, this is the radius. You draw arc on this horizontal diameter. So from this you draw a projector up to this cutting this one. Next so therefore this will be extended until it cuts the last generator. This is the point. Until that you have to extend it here. From here you draw the horizontal line parallel to xy onto this axis. So this point is called 3 dash. Please try to understand how to identify the this point in 3 dash in front view here, because it is in the perpendicular to front view, so that this cannot be directly located. So therefore cannot be located directly. Then that's why what you have to do it here. You have to put it here. These 3 O as a radius, O as a center. You draw a arc until it intersect this horizontal diameter, which is parallel to xy. Then this is the point. From this you draw a vertical line until it is intersect the last generator. Understand? Last generator. From that point you draw a horizontal line parallel to xy. This is the point is 3 dash. Once that is over, you coming to that here 4. E4 is a D. D is a DF is intersecting, so that you draw a line. Still it is intersecting. This point is intersecting here. Obviously this point is not like this. This is the maybe intersecting like this at this point. This is the D dash, F dash. So this is the generator is OD, so that this 4 is intersecting OD. So therefore this is the extended until it intersects the DO generator. This is intersecting at this point. This say that is the 4 dash. Next one, this is intersecting here 5. So therefore you draw a projector until it is, because on boundary, it is on the boundary, so that it is until it is intersect xy line. This is a 5 dash. Once you located these points, you connect these points in a curve manner, not to straight line. Please understand that. You join this one, you join this one, you join this one, you join this one. Yes, this one and this one. Okay, so this is the front view. This is the front view. Like this. This is the 1 dash. This is the 2 dash. This is the 3 dash. This is the 4 dash. This is the 5 dash. This is the front view. So like this we can develop we have developed for top view and front view. Suppose you can want to make it hatch it, you can do it. This is the top view and this is the front view. This part is to be removed. Okay. So now we can develop the true shape of this section. Of course, if you observe this is also a true shape. Because the plane is perpendicular to parallel to xy, so that the true shape is also same, like this only. If you want, you can draw it. You draw a line parallel to cutting plane like this. like this, or otherwise you can draw here also. Here also you can draw parallel to xy, parallel to xy. Of course you have to draw here itself. Suppose it may be the place is not may not be enough, so that's why I have drawing here. I am drawing a line here. So this is the parallel. This is the let us say this is the parallel to this one, parallel to this one. This is the parallel to this one. Okay. Let us say that this is the x1, y1. Once you fix it x1 and y1, you identify these lines. First, simply a dash, 1 dash, a dash, 1 dash. This is enough. This is the a dash. This is the one. Sorry, a1, 1, 1. Next, the cutting plane is cutting here. This is the generator is cutting. This is the 2 dash projector. You take it as this is a dash and 2 dash. You locate it. This is a 2 1. This is the 2 1. Next, you make it axis a dash and because it is axis the 3 generator, so that a dash and 3 axis is also passing same line, so a dash and generator. So this is a 2 dash and 2 dash. This is the 3 1. After that another these cutting point 4, through that a dash and generator, the projector passing through that 4. This is the a dash and this as a radius. You cut it here. Okay. This is the 4 1. After that these projector passing through this 5. Locate this one, a dash to 5. From a dash to, this is the 5 1. Once it is over, you draw projectors from 1 1, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 2 1, 4 1, 5 1. Once you look at these points, you simply, so 1 is on the xy line, it doesn't matter. So next you cut it, this is the 2 generator from xy to 2 dash, from here to here you cut it. Next 3 generator or 3 generator or projector passing through 3, so you take it, this is a radius 3 1 as a center, you cut it. Next passing through 4 projector, this is a radius 4 1 as a center, you cut it. Next projector passing through that 5, it is on xy line, so that this is the same. Then you can join these points. Truly speaking, this is also true shape. Of course, you need not to develop this separately, but thing is that this front view, in this case, suppose the cutting plane is cutting like this, this shape is nothing but front view of the section, cutting plane section. At the same time, this is also true shape. This shape is also becomes a true shape. You need not to develop separately. Okay, understand? To understand, I have developed here true shape of this section. This is and this one same. This one and this one same. True shape. This is also true shape.